You don't lose power in big moments. You lose it in the small things nobody notices. A glance, a pause, a word you didn't need to say. And here's the secret. That's exactly when people decide how much respect you deserve. The moments that decide your power aren't always loud or obvious. It's in the way you move, the way you observe, the choices you make quietly every day. And that's what separates the ordinary from those who command respect naturally. Today, I'm going to share 8 rules inspired by the mindset of the wolf. Rules that teach you how to master yourself first, so that power follows naturally, without force, without hype. Each rule is simple, but when applied consistently, it changes the way people see you, the way the world reacts to you, and the way you feel about yourself. By the end, you won't just understand these rules, you'll feel them. And you'll know how to live in a way that earns respect silently, powerfully. The first rule of power is simple, yet most people completely overlook it. Observe everything. Not just with your eyes, but with your mind. Notice who talks to whom, who lingers, who avoids eye contact. Every detail matters. A wolf doesn't rush to act. He studies patterns, reads the room, and understands motives before moving. When you truly observe, you start seeing the hidden truths others try to hide. You notice the small shifts, the micro-tensions that reveal who's confident, who's weak, who's pretending. And that awareness gives you a silent edge no one else even knows exists. Notice this. Most people rush. They react instantly to every ping, every comment, every minor trigger. But a true, high-value individual moves slowly, each step measured, each word deliberate. In crowded places, in meetings, even in casual conversations, they observe first. Patience isn't weakness, it's power. It's the calm that makes others rush past, making mistakes. When you pause, when you let the world reveal itself to you, you see patterns others miss. You notice who's confident, who's faking it, who's about to slip. Every moment becomes information, every interaction a chance to gain advantage without a word. The herd reacts. The wolf waits, and in that waiting, respect quietly builds. Notice this. The wolf never travels with a large group. A small, loyal pack is all that's needed. Quality over quantity. The people around you define your influence, your respect, your strength. When you surround yourself with too many, you dilute your value. But when your circle is small and selective, every interaction matters. Every word, every gesture is noticed. A wolf moves with a few trusted allies, those who are loyal, capable, and aligned. They watch your back, amplify your presence, and never betray your trust. The rest? They're not invited. Because when the world sees that you're selective, that respect must be earned, people naturally step up or step aside. Respect is never given because you demand it. A wolf doesn't try to control or command others. Instead, every gesture, every step, every word signals value without saying a thing. You honor yourself first, refusing spaces or people that diminish you. You hold your boundaries silently but firmly. People notice, they adjust, they step closer or step aside. True power isn't loud or forceful. It's quiet, steady, unshakable. When you refuse to compromise your value, when you protect your self-respect, Respect follows naturally. You don't ask for it. It comes to you. That is the strength of the wolf. Calm, confident, undeniable. And once you master this, everything in your world begins to align around your presence. A wolf never shouts to prove his strength. He never reacts impulsively, no matter how chaotic the situation. People around may be raising their voices, making a scene, but he remains composed, observing every move. When others try to provoke you, the moment you react with anger, you hand over your power. Silence is strength. Calmness is control. By mastering your reactions, you make decisions with clarity, not emotion. You don't let others' drama dictate your state of mind. Your calmness becomes your presence, magnetic, unshakable. Remember, the most powerful people aren't the loudest in the room. They're the ones whose quiet authority shifts the energy around them, naturally commanding respect without ever asking for it. A wolf knows that hesitation or slowness means someone else will take what could have been theirs. Every opportunity has a limited window. Every moment you pause, someone else steps in. Stay alert, stay active, move with purpose. Your energy and presence must signal that you are ready, capable, and relentless. A wolf never waits for luck. He creates it with consistent, deliberate action. Being proactive isn't about rushing. It's about being aware, prepared, and decisive. Complacency allows others to outpace you. Your forward momentum becomes your power. In life, those who advance are not the ones who wait, but the ones who act with calculated vigilance. Make every move count. Your position is earned by staying active, present, and unstoppable. A wolf's confidence isn't loud. It's visible in his posture, his eyes, the way he moves. It's quiet, unshakable, undeniable. People sense it before they hear a word. Believe in yourself so deeply that no one can make you doubt your abilities. When you approach a situation, own it internally first. Your presence alone commands attention, respect, and influence. Confidence isn't about showing off. It's about knowing your value, standing your ground, and projecting calm authority. Others notice it, often subconsciously, and they adjust around you. The moment you stop comparing yourself to others, stop seeking approval, and fully trust in your unique strengths, you step into a space where your energy shifts everything. Confidence becomes your silent power, your unspoken leverage, your edge in every interaction. Rule 8. Be selfish. Today, being selfish isn't a flaw, it's a strategy. The wolf always puts itself first, prioritizing growth, health, and focus above pleasing everyone else. When you obsess over making everyone happy, people take advantage and your energy is drained. Observe those around you, who supports your goals and who just consumes your effort. Learn to protect your time, your mind, and your purpose. Focus on yourself first, sharpen your skills, grow your value, and let the world catch up. This is the mindset that separates the strong from the followers. Selfishness, when disciplined, is the ultimate power. Control your life, prioritize your growth, and watch respect naturally follow. At the end of the day, it was never about controlling others. It was about mastering yourself. When you observe more, react less, when you move with patience, Choose your circle carefully. Protect your self-respect. Stay calm under pressure. Stay active. Trust yourself and prioritize your growth. Something changes. You don't chase respect anymore. You don't force outcomes. People feel it. Situations shift. Opportunities come to you. Not because you demanded it, but because you became the kind of person it naturally follows. That's the difference. Power isn't taken. It's built quietly.